Forecasters say Tropical Storm Florence is becoming a better organized weather system and will likely strengthen into a hurricane late on Saturday. The National Hurricane Center said that Florence will start to rapidly intensify Sunday and become a major hurricane by Tuesday. Life-threatening surf and rip current conditions were likely to affect Bermuda and the U.S. East Coast over the weekend. The storm's center will approach the U.S. southeast coast on Thursday, after passing between Bermuda and the Bahamas on Tuesday and Wednesday. The U.S. Navy is making preparations this weekend for its ships in the Hampton Roads area to leave port as Florence approaches the East Coast. The U.S. Fleet Forces Command said that the ships will get ready in anticipation of getting underway Monday to avoid storm damage. Administration Christopher Grady said the decision was based on Florence's current track, which indicates the area could see strong sustained winds and storm surges. Share this article. Share North Carolina Governor Roy Cooper declared a state of emergency Friday evening. Cooper says it's too early to know where the storm will go, but he says residents should use the weekend to prepare for the possibility of a natural disaster. Meanwhile, across the border in neighboring South Carolina, the governor declared a state of emergency Saturday to give his state time to prepare for the possible arrival of Florence. Governor Henry McMaster emphasized that there's no way to know yet when and where the storm will hit land or when evacuations might be called. McMaster spoke at the South Carolina Emergency Management Division headquarters in West Columbia, about 10 miles from where the South Carolina-Georgia football game was to start a few hours later. He said he's not telling people to leave, just to prepare. The National Hurricane Center said early Saturday morning that the storm is located about 840 miles southeast of Bermuda and is moving westward at about 9 miles per hour. The storm has maximum sustained winds of about 65 miles per hour with higher gusts